Hey, what's up, Auto Snuff fam? Today we're checking out something seriously fresh, the 2026 Ford Mustang FX. This isn't your average Mustang. It's bolder, smarter, and it's got a whole new vibe that blends classic pony car attitude with modern innovation. The Mustang FX is a brand new variant joining Ford's legendary lineup, offering a unique mix of off-road capability, performance DNA, and crossover utility. Think of it as a Mustang that's been hitting the gym, the trail, and the tech lab at the same time. Now let's talk about what you'll see first, the design. The Mustang FX is a wild blend of muscle car and crossover SUV. It's higher off the ground, with flared fenders, black cladding, and an athletic stance that says, yeah, I lift tires. Up front, it's got that unmistakable Mustang face, sharp LED headlights, a strong grille, and a bulging hood. But now it's paired with chunky, all-terrain tires, underbody protection, and roof rails, a total shift from the low-slung coupes we're used to. It's adventurous, but still instantly recognizable as part of the Mustang family. Step inside the FX, and you're welcomed by a cabin that's sporty and rugged. Ford took everything they're doing right with the Mustang Mach-E interior and injected it with utility vibes. There's durable upholstery with contrast stitching, soft touch panels, and FX-exclusive accents like bronze trim and terrain graphics. The digital instrument cluster and massive SYNC 5 touchscreen are crisp, fast, and super customizable. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice assistant, and even off-road drive modes accessible right on screen. There's also ambient lighting, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic roof, and a premium sound system that absolutely thumps. All right, under the hood, we've got some options. The base model comes with Ford's 2.3L EcoBoost Turbo 4, putting out around 300 horsepower, tuned for both efficiency and torque across a range of terrains. For those craving more power, there's a rumored hybrid AWD variant with a twin-motor assist setup pushing up to 400 horsepower, a sweet combo of muscle and trail agility. And yes, this thing has selectable drive modes like Sport, Eco, Snow, and Off-Road. Expect a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, hill descent control, and an available adaptive suspension system that adjusts depending on the road or lack thereof. Ford is expected to officially debut the Mustang FX in late 2025, with deliveries rolling out by spring 2026. As for pricing, the base EcoBoost FX will likely start around $42,000, while the hybrid and performance trims could push up closer to $50,000 to $55,000, depending on your options. It's definitely more expensive than a base Mustang coupe, but for a new category of all-terrain pony, it might be worth every buck. And that's a wrap on the 2026 Ford Mustang FX, a Mustang that's not afraid to leave the pavement behind. Whether you're a Mustang fan, a crossover adventurer, or just into unique rides that break the mold, this thing is shaping up to be a trailblazing beast. If you like this review, smash that like button, subscribe to the Auto Snuff channel, and hit the bell so you never miss another fresh drop. We've got tons of cool content coming up, from muscle cars to electrics and everything in between. Catch you in the next ride. Stay curious, stay cool, and keep it Auto Snuff.